Jolly old Saint Nick. Okay, class, this is Mr. Thames, and I'm back again, and hopefully you have mastered Jingle Bells Part 1, and I've decided I'm going to go ahead and go to a new song so that we're prepared for our Christmas concert. Our Christmas concert is going to be entitled A Jazzy Christmas. All right, so as you see, that was in a jazz style, and we need to talk about some notes. So let's go ahead and let's focus on some notes for today. All right, these are some notes that some kids tend to have problems with. Two of them are new notes. One is not a new note, it's just a reminder. So the B flat is a new note, and the F is a new note, and the A is just a reminder note. Okay, you should know D, you should know C. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about this note right here, which is a B flat. You know, B flat is on 1, 2, 3, it's on the third line. We've already talked about B, which is fingered like that, but this is a B flat. So B flat is fingered like that. You cover the hole in the back, first finger, skip the second hole. This is super important. Skip that second hole, add your third finger on your left hand. Then you do your first finger on your right hand. So there we go. So we got hole in the back, first finger, skip the second hole, third hole, first hole. And then what we're going to do, we're going to skip that next hole, the second hole on our right hand. Now we're going to add our third finger. So this is how it should look. Okay? Hopefully you got that. You can finger it that way. Probably the easiest way is just do thumb, one, skip the hole in the middle, third hole, and that first fingering on your right hand. And that's the note I have written right here. So you got a way to finger B flat. So this is the way I want you. I know I explained it with the third finger, but let's don't do that right now. Let's just do that. Okay. Now, remember, we're going to use soft, gentle air. We're not going to use fast and furious. And remember, our tongue don't touch the mouthpiece, and our teeth don't touch the mouthpiece. So here's that note. See if you can play with me. Ready? Go. One more time. Ready? Play. All right, kids. This next note is the note where you have an F. Now, F is going to be on that first space. F on the first space. And you do 1, 2, 3, and that's on your left hand. And this is 1 on your right hand. Skip that first hole, and then the third hole. This is probably the reason why I was telling you to finger that B flat like that. You see, it doesn't really make a difference. But if you want to do the F, it does. So that's one reason why I was trying to teach it to you that way. But here's the F. It's thumb, 1, 2, 3, first hole, and then skip that one hole in between your first finger right hand, skip that hole, and then your third finger. See if you can play that note with me. Ready, play. Ready, play. Okay, great job, kids. We need to quickly go to our reminder note, which is an A, which is going to be the second space. And that's just simply thumb, 1, 2. There we go. And remember, soft, gentle air. 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Excellent, excellent, excellent. You kids are so good. Now, we're going to go back to the top of the music. And let's name the notes. Let me give you a little bit more space. Let's name the notes. So this first note here, and this is a, what is that? That's a D, correct. That's a what? D. So we have 4 Ds. Okay. This next note, it's going to be hard for me to write because I have some directions right here. That says second to B. So there's my B right there. So on the second time, after you do the repeat, you go back to the beginning of the song, and when you get to right here, instead of continue on there, you skip to right here. That's what I want you to do. So we got D, 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 and what's that? If you said C, you're correct. C, C. I realize it's hard to see. Okay? So we got D, 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 C, C, and this is another C. All right? Now, this is our new note. What is it, class? If you said B flat, you are correct. And what's the next note? If you continue to say B flat, you're correct. So we got B flat, and those are eighth notes, B flat, and then what's that last one, last whole note at the top? It is a D. I'm gonna kind of switch colors because I know it's kind of hard to see. Right here, what's the next note? Everybody saying G. That's right. G, 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 G. What's the next note? F, F, F. And then what's that note? Third line. And it has a little B next to it. That's, of course, going to be B flat. Hopefully that red helped you to see a lot better. In fact, let's go ahead and erase that because I want you to be able to see it clearly. So I'm going to write D, 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 D. See how much better that is? That's probably easier to see. And let's go erase that. All right, now I'm going to write C, C, C. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And so that's going to be B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. And then that last one is going to be a D. So as you see, you should be able to play this. This is that reminder note, A, B flat, C, D, C. We do a repeat. Here's my repeat right here. I know it's kind of hard to see. I'll make this repeat right there so you can see it. And that should be, oh, you still can't see it. Let's make it closer. Yeah, that's a little bit better. See, that's a repeat back to the beginning, back to right here. And you can see the repeat there. And then we got at the bottom, we got a C, a B flat, another C, and a D with a B flat. All right, class, I try to make my videos never to go over 9 minutes, and this one has successfully gone over 9 minutes. If you want, you can go back to the very beginning and review and play along with me after you've learned what those notes are. And I hope this will help you. I may need to make another video to so you can see how it would sound if you play along. All right, so this is Jolly Old Saint Nick, Part 1. I'll see you kids later. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, and I hope you have a good day.